Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a futuristic sneak peek at what OPPO might have in store for us with the upcoming Reno 13, expected to drop in 2026. And yes, while we usually focus on Apple tech here, it's always fascinating to see what the competition is doing, especially when it pushes boundaries that might inspire future iPhones. The Reno 13 is rumored to take a bold leap in design. We're talking about a seamless all-glass body with under-display everything and no visible camera cutouts, no buttons, no speaker grills. It's a true slab of digital elegance. OPPO's reportedly using an advanced micro-LED panel that wraps slightly around the edges with a 144Hz refresh rate, making it one of the smoothest displays out there. Now let's talk IA, because this is where things get wild. The Reno 13 could ship with OPPO's next-gen AI assistant built right into the Core OS. It's not just about voice commands anymore. It learns your behavior over time, optimizes battery usage, manages notifications, and even suggests photography styles based on your shooting history. Think of it as a hybrid between Siri and ChatGPT, but tailored for your phone life. Under the hood, we're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, paired with a custom NPU that handles all the on-device machine learning. And yes, rumors suggest OPPO's ditching the 12GB RAM ceiling and pushing for a massive 18GB RAM base model, with up to 1TB of onboard storage. Cloud what? The camera system? All the buzz points to a triple lens setup featuring a 1-inch main sensor, a periscope telephoto with 10x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens powered by AI-enhanced stabilization. But the real trick? OPPO's working on real-time cinematic filters that render Hollywood-level color grading live while you record. That's going to turn mobile videography on its head. Battery tech is also getting a major upgrade. The Reno 13 might debut solid-state battery tech with 100 watts wireless charging. Yes, wireless. That's potentially a full charge in under 20 minutes and no cable required. Apple's still doing 15 watts MagSafe, so this could be a wake-up call. Lastly, let's not forget software. ColorOS is evolving with a more minimal UI and stronger privacy tools. With Android 15 as its base, the Reno 13 could offer one of the cleanest, fastest user experiences yet, and if Apple takes note, we could see similar simplicity in iOS down the road. So, is the OPPO Reno 13 a real iPhone competitor? Not directly, they serve different audiences. But it's innovations like these that challenge Apple to think bigger, and that's good news for all of us. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what features you'd like to see Apple adopt from this futuristic OPPO vision. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss the next deep dive. Catch you in the next one.